2017 Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat. Sometimes driving in the fast lane can lead to a cracked windshield. Here comes the Super PDR windshield repair kit. It started raining, so I had to pull the car in the garage. Perfect timing. The kit comes with instructions, 2 repair stickers, 2 curved films, a vacuum sucker, a syringe, and the window repair riser. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is wipe the cracked area with a dry cloth.
Say what?
Get rid of any debris. I'm gonna get some regular alcohol, pour it on a microfiber, kind of go over that area, make sure everything is nice and clean. No debris left over. The alcohol is going to dry really fast, so you'll have nothing to worry about. Tear the stick off, put it right in the center of the crack. Smooth it out. Now to remove the other side, we're going to peel this back very slowly. I'm going to put the vacuum sucker right on top of that. So now we're going to enter the syringe. We're going to put it in deep until you pop the rubber gasket below. Alright, it's in there. We're going to get all the air out. You can feel the pressure. Once you got all the air out the vacuum sucker, you're going to extract some of the resin. So you poke this in. Alright, simply poke it in, fill out slowly. Alright, we got it in there. That's how much is supplied in that little can. We'll go ahead and plug this in here. Squeeze it out. Let it sit for 20 minutes. Alright, it's been about 25 minutes. I'm gonna plug this in and extract the air or whatever liquid is left over. Just to reduce some of the air pressure. Go ahead and peel this up if I can. So that's what it's looking like after I got that gunk up. I'm gonna get some more of this repair resin. I'm sucking it out the container now. Okay. And I'm gonna put some directly over it with the curing film. Drip. Wow. Okay. I'm just wiping down the sides with some alcohol because I think I spilled some resin on the windshield on the outside of my work area. Just cleaning that up. And the instruction says pour this out and let it cure in the sun for about 5 to 8 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it back out the garage. It stopped raining, the sun is shining. We're gonna let it do its thing for 10 minutes. We'll be right back. Alright, it's been about 10 minutes. Go ahead and peel this up. I'm gonna use the blade that came in the kit to get rid of any more rising residue. As long as it stopped the cracking from spreading, that's all that matters. Alright, that's the end of the video. As you can see, it looks way better than it originally did. It's just like a little white speck on the glass, as you can see right there, if you can see it. But that's it, man. If I helped you out in any way, go ahead and give your boy a thumbs up. Go ahead and comment. Subscribe to the channel. I got all kind of heat coming.